All types of SEO. There are several types of SEO that can help websites rank better on search engine result pages. Here are some of the main types of SEO. On-page SEO. This refers to all the measures taken to make a web page rank higher on search engine results pages, SERP. Some examples of on-page SEO include optimizing content, using relevant keywords, and improving website speed and user experience. Off-page SEO. This type of SEO refers to all the activities done outside of the website to improve its ranking on SERPs. Examples of off-page SEO include link building, social media marketing, and influencer outreach. Technical SEO. This type of SEO focuses on the technical aspects of a website that affect its ranking on SERPs. Some examples of technical SEO include optimizing website speed, improving website architecture, and ensuring mobile friendliness. Local SEO. This type of SEO is important for businesses that want to reach a local audience. Local SEO involves optimizing a website for local search results on Google, such as Google Maps and the local map pack. Content SEO. This type of SEO involves creating unique content, such as writing, graphics, or videos, to structure a website and rank it higher in SERPs. Copywriting, site structure, and keyword strategy are important considerations when working with content SEO. Mobile SEO. This type of SEO focuses on optimizing a website for mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. Mobile SEO involves ensuring that a website is mobile friendly, has a responsive design, and loads quickly on mobile devices. E-commerce SEO. This type of SEO is specifically for e-commerce websites. E-commerce SEO involves optimizing product pages, improving website speed, and using relevant keywords to rank higher in SERPs. White hat SEO. This type of SEO involves using ethical and legitimate techniques to improve a website's ranking on SERPs. Examples of white hat SEO include creating high-quality content, using relevant keywords, and building high-quality backlinks. Black hat SEO. This type of SEO involves using unethical and illegitimate techniques to improve a website's ranking on SERPs. Examples of black hat SEO include keyword stuffing, cloaking, and link farming. Grey hat SEO. This type of SEO involves using techniques that are not clearly defined as either white hat or black hat. Examples of grey hat SEO include guest blogging, buying expired domains, and using private blog networks. It is important to note that these types of SEO are not mutually exclusive and often overlap. A comprehensive SEO strategy should include a combination of these types of SEO to improve a website's ranking on SERPs. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors, and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.